Hello, this is Marina and this is Cherry Nutrition page, and today I'll show you chicken wrap recipe. I choose tortilla wrap as it's made from 100% corn flour, and it means that it's gluten free, contain a lot of fiber and whole grain, and of course chicken breast, which is a good source of protein, different vitamins and minerals. Enjoy and stay healthy. Make all ingredients ready. 1 chicken breast, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon cumin powder, pinch of sea salt, 2 tortilla wraps, 1 medium pickle, 1 cup green leaves, half onion. For sauce, 100 mg of yogurt or sour cream low fat, 1 garlic clove, 1 tablespoon parsley. Put chicken breast in boiled water, add spices and salt. Cut green leaves into bite size. Cut pickles into slices. Cut onion into slices. Rub garlic on a small grater. Mix well sour cream with garlic and parsley. Put sour cream sauce on tortilla wrap. Add vegetables and chicken on the wrap. Make sandwich and send it to the grill. Grill it about 5 minutes or until it's ready. Enjoy and stay healthy.